We are at 1385 Kaley Court in Lawrenceville, Georgia today. This beautiful brick front home with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths on the top level, half bath on the main level, and a full finished basement with a bath and a bedroom on the lower level is a great property. Located in the Collins Hill schools, it's appealing to many different sizes of families. Plus, you're on a cul-de-sac lot and you're located in a swim tennis community of Chandler Creek, which has swim, tennis, playground, gazebo, picnic tables, so many things to enjoy. I can't wait to show you the rest of the house. Here we are in the central kitchen area, which is open to the family room with a fireplace. Love the stainless steel appliances along with a cute backsplash, and you have this nice large breakfast area. In addition to this very great space on the main level, you've got the formal dining room right down the hall over there, and adjoining that is the separate living room. So the great thing is you've got 2 living spaces on the main level. Wait till you see this adorable deck with the privacy curtains, and it's right next to a blooming dogwood tree, which is beautiful, and lots of other plants and flowers are coming out this time of year. The master bedroom is located upstairs and has a window facing to the front of the house for lots of great natural light. It also has a walk-in closet with some built-ins and a vaulted tray ceiling, along with the master bath that has been renovated as far as the shower, and the tiles surround a gorgeous jetted soaking tub. One of my favorite features about this 4th bedroom or bonus room is the fact that it's large, very spacious, and look at this adorable playhouse it has, along with a cedar closet and lots of room for whatever you need, your kids, your hobby room, or an office. Wow, what a great space in this finished basement level. You've got a bedroom, living space, kitchen is obvious with a nice sink, stove, refrigerator, a small dining area over there on the side next to the window, and you've got a second laundry room. Think of all the options you have with the finished bathroom that is also right down the hall. You could use it as an in-law suite, or what teen wouldn't like this as a teen retreat, for guest quarters, or maybe it's a man cave or a she cave. Who knows? So many different possibilities. One other feature of this finished basement is this door that has access to the outside. You've got a sidewalk that is complete from the driveway all the way around to this entrance, so whoever is occupying the basement has a private entrance. What's not to love about that? What's not to love about this oasis backyard? It's so peaceful, I can hear the birds chirping. And you've got a beautiful dogwood tree, lots of blooming plants for this special time of year. Thank you so much for joining us at 1385 Kaley Court. If you want to see this home, reach out right away because I'm pretty sure it'll go quickly.